Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. I am exhausted. In the last 24 hours, we finally got our goats home, and we also started having chicks hatch. So, been a lot. But anyways, no rest for the wicked or something like that. Today I'm gonna attempt to make dragon's beard candy. I would probably call it the white whale of my list. I don't want to jinx that because I'm sure I put other really difficult stuff on my list. But this one is, I don't know. I guess I thought that I would have like more sugar experience to kind of build on, hopefully by the time that I got it. But if you have watched my previous videos that involve sugar, you will know that is not the case. I have completely bombed most things that involve sugar. So why not? I guess let's do this. I've got 2 cups of sugar already on the stove. I need my thermometer. Yeah, it should be fine. Its top got a little messed up when I was using it to do the oil for the meatballs. You know what? It survived my grandma, so like I shouldn't be able to kill it yet, right? Okay, so we almost messed up already. Turns out I have to retire my little guy. You know, decades of service, but apparently got stuck at 200 because I'm sitting here and I was just like, you know, I feel like this is much higher than 200. And I was right. Right now we're sitting about 245. So, you know, intuition, baby. Let's see if I can do this without completely burning myself or making a horrendous mess of the kitchen. Take 3.
How much of this are we allowed to eat?
I don't know.
Like, how much sugar is in the entire product?
2 cups.
Yeah, we can eat the whole thing.
Like I'm doing a weird, like, jacking off motion.
I mean, that's what the guy looked like he was doing.
Okay.
Yep.
And then he just went from here.
Yep.
And just pulled.
Yep, just pull it and flip it. Pull it and flip it.
Pull it and flip it.
Yep.
Dunk it.
Yep. Dunk the shit out of it. He put like a massive shit ton of that stuff on there.
Flip it.
And he was like, every time he did it, like he was scooping up like half a box of cornstarch into the weave.
Pull it.
Quarter of the way there.
I have no idea what number I'm on. I'm just like, pull it,
6.
flip it.
7. 8. 9. easier with a bowl. 10. Halfway.
Oh, halfway.
And the screen's still on. 11.
Piece of the rejects pile.
13. 14. You know, I know you were like dreading this, but it's going remarkably well.
Don't jinx
5
it.
more.
I was dreading it because every time I work with sugar, it hates me.
Three more.
And I'm still, like, you know, obviously there's something not completely right because I'm ending up with my clumpy clumps in the top, but...
I think you're just not pulling it equally. Like, you're pulling it at the top. He pulls it straight from the side, so it's stretching top and bottom. I just think it's a technique thing. I don't think that... I think all of your math is right. I think your technique is wrong. Uno más. Cottoncandy.
I mean... That's pretty good, though.
Can I eat it?
Can I wrap it up first?
Sure.
We can make this for a Halloween party.
Mmm.
Eatable spider webs.
Oh man, yesterday was the halfway to Halloween.
I know. Despite the first bit actually getting it, you know, going, not recording. I think it turned out pretty well.
I thought it was really.
Everybody into it?
I know. You're dragoning. You're poof 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 poof.
That's a really cool texture, though. There were a couple of casualties. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
9.9.
Ooh, that's not bad.
It's really good. It's not perfect. I feel like maybe if it was perfectly executed, it would be a 10.
I got my soul patch.
I haven't seen a soul patch dragon.
Do you want to pick?
Yeah.
Pick a good one, please. Though, to be fair, like, Dragonsbeard was the one I was most afraid of.
Yes.
What is it?
It is Sweden. It is Flygon Jakob.
Oh, God.
It's gonna be a great week.
No, this one's really weird.
I know.
Have you looked it up?
Yeah.
It's like banana
I
and
know.
chicken or something.
It's gonna be awesome.
Oh, no. Like, I put that one up there because, like, I mean, I was looking at Sweden and they didn't really have, like, a lot that sprung out at me. And then I was just like, I'm sorry. What? The Flying Jacob.
Yes.
Banana. It is banana, right?
Yeah. Chicken breast, bacon, onion, heavy cream, curry powder, sweet chili sauce, chicken stock cube, sliced bananas, and roasted peanuts. It's gonna be great.
That's such a mixture.
I'm so excited.
All right. Flying Jacob, here we come. I like how I'm trying to wipe powder off my face and I'm just getting more on it.
I keep going. I like it.
Hello!
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, so next week we're going to Sweden. You excited?
I am so excited. I'm going to stay there. And you can make it for me every week.
Yeah, you say that now.
I will go to Sweden. You're not, like, we can expat it. Let's go.
Okay.
If I can get hired there, we will move to Sweden.
Oh,
I don't know how to ship a horse, but I'll figure it out.
we'll figure out the logistics.
Okay.
It'll be fine.
Norbert won't be able to come.
Why?
A controlled creature.
Okay, well then we gotta go to like Germany or something, because that's where that one guy
We
is.
can go to Germany, yeah.
Alright, cool.
I like Germany. It's cold though. Like it makes New York look like a joke.
Really?
Yeah, it's very cold. In the winter. Not in the summer, obviously.
I don't know about learning German though. That always sound angry.
No, German can be pretty, but it is very abrasively executed in many conditions.
It is.
But no, German can be very pretty. I'll prove it to you later.
Giggity. Alright, so yeah, Sweden next week. Weird banana chicken. And yeah, I'm gonna go clean up and probably play with some goats. I'll see you next Tuesday. See you next Tuesday.
I'll see you next Tuesday. I didn't know I was supposed to say it to him, sorry.
I don't know. Thought it would be fun.
I thought you were talking to the people. The people in your phone.
You're not supposed to know about them.
I don't know about them. What?